In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in Wix. First, let's start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to your website editor, which is the hub where all the magic happens and where you can control the layout and design of your website. When you arrive at the website editor, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the plus sign or the Add Elements button. This will open up a world of possibilities for enhancing your website with various features and elements provided by Wix. To find the search bar options, you'll need to head over to the menu and anchor section. It might seem a little tucked away, but scroll all the way to the bottom of this section. You might notice there's an option to add something to your site. This is where the search buttons come into play. For the purpose of this tutorial, I want us to concentrate solely on the search bar aspect. So I've already completed the search button installation. However, this step could take a little time. Don't worry if it seems like it's taking a while. Wix may just need a moment to process everything. Once you've added the search buttons, head back and make sure they're available at the bottom where we navigated a moment ago. With that, it's time for the fun part, choosing the type of search bar that suits your website's design and functionality needs. Wix offers a diverse set of predefined search bar styles for you to select from, so take a moment to explore these options. When you found a search bar that you're keen on using, you can simply click and drag it to your preferred spot on your web page. Remember, where you place it can affect your website's usability and aesthetics, so consider ease of use for your visitors. And just like that, you've successfully added a search bar to your Wix site. It's really as simple as follow, choose, and drop. With your new search bar in place, visitors to your website will be able to navigate and find content more easily, enhancing their overall experience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most of your web building experience with Wix.